Ever wondered how to find the limit of a complex fraction as x stretches out to infinity? It might seem daunting, but today we're exploring a powerful technique that makes it surprisingly simple. By the end, you'll understand how to solve these types of limits by strategically simplifying the expression. Let's tackle a problem like this one. The key is to look at the denominator and find its highest power of x. Here, it's x cubed. Now, we divide every single term in the entire fraction by this highest power, x cubed. This simplifies beautifully, leaving us with a much cleaner expression. Now for the magic. As x approaches infinity, any term with x in the denominator will shrink to 0. Think of it like this. If you have a tiny crumb on a giant beach, it becomes practically invisible. So our expression becomes incredibly simple. 4 minus 0 over 2 plus 0. And that gives us our final answer, 2. This method works because at infinity, the highest power terms dominate the expression. By dividing by that power, we isolate and evaluate only those dominant terms. So the next time you see a limit at infinity, remember this powerful trick. Divide by the highest power of x. It's your key to unlocking the solution.